Remember the story of 26-year-old designer Kevin Chiam, who created these cooking tools for the visually impaired? Many around the world thought it was a great idea that should be brought to market.
I've gotten conservatively over 100 meals.
That's where this Singapore-based startup hopes to step in. Toy designer and maker Mighty Jaxx is a multi-million-dollar business with sales in over 50 countries.
When I first saw the video, I was really inspired by Kevin's work. How he took a FYP project into something of physical products that is actually usable on an everyday basis.
It's akin to that eureka moment, a huge sense of relief. The fact that the design that you have spent so much time on has received this acknowledgement and affirmation from someone in the industry.
Though Kevin received various offers of support, what the National University of Singapore graduate wanted was for someone to take over his product's manufacturing and distribution. And Mighty Jaxx was game. The company is in early talks with NUS, which holds the license to Kevin's project.
We actually create a lot of hardware and products based off of plastic, silicone and different materials. We have the materials, we have the technical knowledge, therefore we combine everything, we make his initiative happen.
If all goes well, sighted folks could own a set of Kevin's tools too, to help keep the tools affordable for the blind. Mighty Jaxx hopes to widen the market appeal, like with a limited edition range featuring artwork by Keith Haring and Andy Warhol.
Some of the ideas that we have thrown around is if we can have a one-for-one type of initiative. So basically anyone who buys a set, we gave a set to a beneficiary.
Kevin, meanwhile, is busy pursuing his Masters in Innovation Design Engineering on a scholarship.
And how comfortable are you with giving the entire process to them? Because it's like a baby, right?
Yes. I guess one of the biggest challenge to any designer is this ownership of the concept. I learned the fact that you sometimes have to cue that sense of ownership, that someone who has the capabilities could actually bring it further than, let's say, you clinging on to it.